Since this all makes sense, we can go ahead and calculate the differences, averages, and multipliers and begin plugging them into our value creation formulas. Using the same math that we showed before, revenue growth comes out to 8.8, EBITDA margin expansion comes out to 7.7, EBITDA multiple expansion comes out to 6.9, gearing comes out to 11.9, and cash flow generation is 15.0. These do, in fact, add up to the total equity value creation of 50.4 from the difference between 68 of total invested equity and the total equity return of 118.4 million. So, how did we do? To check that, we can look at the multi-step and one-step models side by side. We see that they are nearly identical. The biggest difference in this case is within multiple expansion, and that's about 330,000. But in the context of a deal that created over 50 million of equity value, that's less than 1%. So this one-step value creation model is sufficiently accurate, and it's probably the only model that you're actually going to be able to perform given the data that you have available for most private equity deals.